How to send disappearing photos in Telegram. So for that you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. So first of all you have to open up your Telegram here on your phone. After opening up your Telegram, just go for the one of the chat that you want to sell that you want to send the disappearing photos in your Telegram. Just go for that. And once you are here, you have to tap on the attachment option you can see. And here you can select any of the image that you want. And you have to just go for the same. So after selecting your photo, you have to just go and tap on that photo or video. And here you can see the self-destructing timer here. Just go for the one option and just go for the few ones here and just send them. So that's it. Your disappearing photo or video has been successfully sent to your friend. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.